So, today at Snarks, we went to the Lemur Center.
Alright, so lemurs are endangered animals, endangered species. Lemurs, they lived in the wild in Madagascar before they was captured and put in this happy environment.
They have the abilities to climb trees and the ability to jump, and they're a lot like monkeys. And monkeys are the main primates besides humans.
Brown lemur.
Red.
What do lemurs eat?
They eat small boys.
Oh, they have different types of food. They eat food in different ways.
Pretty much sums up a lemur diet. We got the fruit, the veggies, the leafy greens. Here at the primate center here, we have this
This type of biscuit that they eat, and different types of lemur eat this food. It's like they use bamboo, and the people cut a hole, like 3 holes inside the bamboo, and put mealworms. And they put inside the bamboo, and they put peanut butter over it so they can't get out.
An example of very extreme where the females come first.
Because they can actually chew through the bamboo, and in their native habitat, they've got to go into the wood to get the worms out. See, you and I, we pull up to Cookout, and we say, I like number 3.
Okay, if you took a lemur with you to the grocery store, what do you think the lemur would do? First thing.
It would go in the cereal boxes and eat all the cereal, and then go around and eat it, even they can find.
They have very limited number of facials, even eat some seeds.
So they're both some lemurs are herbivores and omnivores.
Yes, exactly. The ring-tailed lemur is a great example of an omnivore. In fact, they're what I call an opportunistic omnivore.
Yeah, it can rotate. Yeah, I don't know if we can demonstrate it, but
This is the eye.
Yes, that's a picture of the eye.
It looks like a little. It looks a little bit like a bear.
How do lemurs move around?
They jump.
Maybe how they can leap and then navigate. False.
bumping their head. And that's what amazes me about this.
All right, let's see some good lemur hopping.
Oh, but I don't see it.
There they go. Why do lemurs hop sideways and not like forward?
The way
Because
their
the way the
legs,
legs are made. Well,
they're so big. They don't have the same hips as we do, so they can't walk like the rest of the other lemurs. They're the strongest jumpers out of all.
Now you're recording. See the time? Showing you how much time you're doing. Oh my goodness. Wow. Right on YouTube.
Would you like to have a lemur at home as a pet?
Well, it depends because I don't like to pick up doodle and stuff, and I can't take control of other things, so probably no.
Also,
Okay.
remember,
Lemur as a pet. Do you think that'd be a good thing or a bad thing? It looks like you have a lemur behind you. Look over your shoulder.
You'd have to have a lot of
Responsibility.
space for it to jump.
Okay, so there's a lemur call that the ring-tailed lemurs will give a call to kind of call the group together, and it's usually initiated by the male, and it goes a little bit like this.
And then they started looking really closely at the teeth under a microscope, and they realized that these animals were actually
Kind of calls everyone's attention, and they'll go. I've had lemurs call back to that and actually come running out of the forest in Madagascar to see what was going on.
Okay, so nocturnal animals is animals that walk in the night. It's like night animals, night lemurs. Diurnal is the lemurs that's most of the time in the day. Like you'll most of the time find them in the day.
quite baffling for a while in the wild.
we're trying to keep
We
that
knew
dry.
they
son.
ate a lot of leaves, but some of them were eating a lot of fruit too, so we thought they were fruit eaters. But the odd thing about the fruit eating is that whenever they ate the fruit, a lot of the fruits weren't very mature.
The title is
The Scary Nocturnal Animals, Lemurs.
Once Upon a Time.
There was these 2 lemurs. It was a black eye and a red furred lemur, and they was fighting. And the black eye lemur ate the red eye.
The end.
story, Bob.
What was your favorite part about the lemur that you like?
The red rough one.
Yes.
I like that it was the most like a dog, and I'm a dog person. I like dogs a lot, so it reminded me of a dog. And I said dog about 17 times, didn't I?
Tell me one thing you learned.
There's over 70 different kinds of lemur species in Madagascar right now.
What was your favorite lemur and why was it your favorite?
My favorite lemur was the ring-tailed lemur because I like the way its tail is like is
I was coughing. I'm sorry.
let me find the word, is like striped, and
I learned that the black lemur, the eye, he has very long nails, and that he gets really rowdy when people are staring at him.
what was your favorite part about the lemur that you like?
The eye because its finger was so like weird it could turn 360 degrees around. And that's why.
I hope you enjoyed the film and watch this. Slam.